Hi, unboxing of an Apple iPad. This is the 2017 model, the iPad 5 generations. I gotta cover that part there. Yeah. Let's have a look. Or just you can tear off this part here. Right, and then put it down. Okay, there you go. That's the iPad. Yeah, this is the silver model, the space gray model. User manual, I guess. Cable. And this is the power adapter. This is the international model, so we actually get the plug adapter change. Anyway, put that one aside. Sure, it's very nice iPad. Okay. And the back. All right. And the side. Volume button there. This is the side, and the bottom is the speaker and the lightning port adapter. Power, yeah. And this is the 3.5mm hole for the audio. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.